Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy i8 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store games are not visible on it. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo. On the right corner, there are Settings, Family and Parental Control, which is on right now, and we have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and there we can easily change it by tap on allow and all included and rated, config by understood, and maybe save. And after that all would work. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and now it is visible and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.